We're here today having a walking tour of Reykjavik. We're starting here at what is now the Maritime Museum. It's also the old harbour, and we're going to have a walk up through the town, see some of the sights, back around via the seafront, perhaps trying a hot dog on the way, and let's go. We're here at our first stop on our walking tour of Reykjavik on Aðalstræti, which is Reykjavik's oldest street, having a look at the settlement area. And this is Reykjavik's oldest building, built in 1762 and now part of the Settlement Museum, which carries on up the street. Let's go. We're here now on the next step of our Reykjavik walking tour. You wouldn't think that we were in the centre of Reykjavik, but here we are at the City Park and Tjörnin Lake. We're going to have a look around and see some of the sculptures and then some of the buildings that are behind us. So we've got the National Gallery just over there and the City Hall just over there, and then we're going to head into the city centre itself. Let's go. We're now on the highest point of our walking tour here in Reykjavik at Hallgrimskirkja. This church, which was named for the Icelandic poet Hallgrimskirkja, started building in 1945, actually finished in 1986 when it was consecrated. That's 41 years. The tower that you can see behind you, which is based on the shape of the basalt columns, that's 74.5 metres high, and we have a stunning view over Reykjavik city. You can see all the sea around you and then over to the mountains as well. So let's go and have a look inside.
So on our first stop in Reykjavik, on our first day, we've come to Perlan, which is an Icelandic museum. But on the fourth floor is an observation deck, which it costs you £20 to come and have a look around. So we're going to make the most of our money. We're going to look at the amazing views on the other side of the city, which are actually quite amazing, to be honest. So let's go and have a look at them.